In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the widths of Google Sheets columns. Whether you're organizing data for work, school, or personal projects, having a neat and tidy spreadsheet can make a world of difference. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll show you a couple of simple ways to adjust those column widths. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open. If you haven't got one open yet, go ahead and navigate to Google Sheets and select the sheet you want to work on. It's crucial that you're signed in with the correct Google account, so all your changes are saved directly to your file in the cloud, ensuring they're accessible anytime, anywhere. Now, one of the quickest ways to adjust column widths is by using the column headings. Let's take a look at how to do this effortlessly. Start by moving your cursor to the very top of the sheet where the column letters are displayed. You'll notice when your cursor is placed between two column headings, it changes shape into a double-sided arrow. As you hover there, double-click, and you'll see that the column instantly resizes to fit the widest piece of content within that column. This is a handy trick when you want a quick, automatic adjustment without having to get too precise. If you're looking to adjust multiple columns at once to the optimum width, you'll want to select all the cells. You can do this by clicking the little rectangle at the very top left corner of your sheet, where the rows and columns meet. After selecting all the cells, perform the same double-click action between any two column headings. This will automatically adjust all columns to fit the content, saving you lots of time in formatting. For those instances where you might want more control, such as setting a specific width for aesthetic purposes, you can adjust the columns manually. Let's explore this method. Begin by selecting the column you wish to adjust by clicking on its letter heading. With the column selected, right-click to open up a menu of options, then click on Resize Column. Here, you'll see an option to set a custom width in pixels. Simply enter the desired number and hit OK. This is perfect when you need uniformity across different sheets or aligning columns for print. Remember, both these strategies for altering column width are versatile for optimizing visual presentation and ensuring that all your data is neatly displayed. You can always test different widths to see what works best for your specific needs. That's it for today's walkthrough. With these skills under your belt, you'll have perfectly organized spreadsheets in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.